Hey everybody, Bonez here, Bonez Garage, bringing you update what's going on at the garage. So, 1969 Corvette, coming out great. We now have the headlight assemblies all in and ready to go. Just have to put in the high-low beams on either side of the car, and that'll be all done. We got the actuators back in, and they're working beautifully. We also went in and sanded down the whole interior of the engine compartment, and then sprayed it nice black. So it looks really good. So once we put the motor in there, it will look really nice inside the engine compartment. If you look on this side, you can see all the headlight assembly stuff is all in. Both the actuators are in, and all of the framework and assembly are all in. So that's coming out absolutely beautiful. We also cleaned up behind the grill and painted that too. So when you look through the grill, you don't see all kinds of different colors from the paint that they put on here, the primers and all the other stuff that was all down in there. Another thing that we're doing is the owner brought us some older carburetors that he had laying around. These are two Holley spread bore carburetors. Now when I say spread bore, what I'm talking about is if you look on the bottom side, you can see the bore on the rear set of barrels bigger than the bore on the front set of barrels. These are your primaries, these are your secondaries. Your primaries are your main running. So if you're just cruising down the highway or cruising down the road, you're going to be running on this. When you floor it and ask the car for more power, you open up these barrels, and then the vacuum will open up the secondary butterfly up on top. And that's how you get from your first barrel to your second set of barrels. And that will give you full power on high acceleration. You can also see how clean this carburetor is as opposed to this carburetor. Now they are both the same carburetors. They both came off the same type of vehicles, and they both have about the same amount of mileage on them. We have cleaned a little bit of this bowl and this bowl out. There was a lot of dirt inside of them, and you can also see how much cleaner the inside of the Venturis are on the barrels. See how nice and clean that is? You can actually see down into it. Then that's the top plate, the air horn, and that's the other side of it. Again, this is for the older carburetor that we're not using. This carburetor we were using for parts for that carburetor because that one was in better condition. So that is what's going on with these. We are doing a total rebuild on the carburetor, and that carburetor should run this car very nicely. So that's about what's going on here at the garage. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Okay, bye.